What is up, my friends? आज की वीडियो के अंदर we'll discuss rewriting. You'll be surprised. I had to write a testimonial for my friends at Delhi Climbs, the organization that I use to climb rocks in Delhi. Now I am a bit biased because one, I love the fuck out of rock climbing, or dusra because they're my friends. But I'll just show you in this video how I, as a writer, approach writing testimonials. Here is the problem with how people write testimonials. Either they become too salesy, एकदम बेच आते हैं कि बहुत ही बढ़िया A1 है करके देखो, nothing wrong with that. Or they become too passive, right? They don't strike a balance between, showcasing their original personal experience and also being salesy, ठीक है? तो all of us as writers जो भी ये channel देखते हैं, whatever level of skill you have right now, I'll show you just the simple amount of work it takes to write a testimonial. And the sheer joy you get after realizing that you tried every single route and finally settled on the best version possible. तो मैं दिखाता हूँ. I'm gonna open my screen up. So here's what we have. Draft number 1. मैंने इससे पहले भी बहुत सारे और draft लिखे थे, as you can see in this notebook right here. Just single lines that I cut out. I finally arrived at something like this. Now let's look at it. As someone who's bored by conventional exercise routines, I cannot stress the importance of climbing in my life. Maybe it's the problem-solving part, the activation of muscles I didn't know I had, or the guidance of India's best climbers, but I keep coming back to Dhauj. What's the problem with this? First of all, ये मेरे पहले कुछ ख्याल हैं, तो I usually don't have a lot of trust around the first thoughts that I have, especially when it comes to writing, ठीक है? Because they're not as organized, they're not as structured, they're not the sharpest version. और हम तो इस channel के अंदर, in my whole life writing philosophy, I talk about writing the sharpest version possible. So this is clearly not a sharp version of this sentence. It's vague. I mean, the good thing here is कि conventional exercise routine से bored हो तो at least I'm doing that. I'm saying कि मैं bored हो जाता हूँ उससे. That's why I do climbing. That's great. Problem solving part, again, for a generic बंदा जो ये और जो इनका website खोलेगा, it's going to be confusing for them to understand कि problem solving क्या होती है. Because in rock climbing, you call different boulders, different routes as problems that you have to solve using different techniques, ठीक है? But it's a technical term that they won't understand. So I am not using this, ठीक है? Keep going back to Dhauj. Now Dhauj is also generic. They don't know where the climbs happen. I know where the climbs happen. It's something that half the community knows. All the community knows, but not someone who's visiting the website for the first time. तो audience का ध्यान रखना, ये ध्यान रखना कि 10-15 या 3-4 testimonials के बीच में मेरा कहीं testimonial होगा, तो how can I make it the most powerful testimonial that is honest and also serve the purpose of getting these people to share an experience that I already enjoy, that is rock climbing, ठीक है? Second वाला, तो I realized कि climbing की वजह से I get transformed, like I'm not the same person. जब मैं climbing start करता हूँ, I'm a different person. When I climb and succeed, I'm a different person. तो मैंने वो लिखा, I like transformational experiences. Lifting weights in a stuffy gym isn't transformational, it's boring. If you're anything like me, you will love, maybe it's a... तो मैंने इस वाले draft को खत्म नहीं करा, and a couple of reasons, because I felt like I was dragging on too long. I was trying to build some sort of relatability with the audience जो भी इसे पढ़ रहा था कि lifting weights in a stuffy gym isn't transformational, it's boring. But I felt like I was attacking gym people far too much without any particular reason, and as a result, I thought this draft was weak. So then I tried to rewrite it. Then I wrote, I hate lifting weights and dislike indoor workouts. I want to be out in the elements like my ancestors. If you're anything like me, come to Dhauj. I didn't write this completely as well because first of all, हाँ ठीक है, कई लोगों को weights lift करना पसंद नहीं है. I know that this is a strong point of this testimonial, but being out in the elements like my ancestors, that whole concept I think is a bit woo-woo for people to understand. So I don't want people to, because right in the second line I say, if you're anything like me, they're like, I'm not like you. You know what I mean? Because I'm using this very woo-woo idea around कि हम ancestors की तरह हम भी ऐसे outdoors में रहें. There's probably a better time and place for this, not in a 3-line testimonial, ठीक है? तो I obviously didn't end up writing that. Fourth, ठीक है, hate the gym, want to stab your CrossFit trainer, I feel you. Again, I felt like इसके अंदर I'm becoming the thing that I warned about. I'm becoming too salesy, and I'm using the gym as a scapegoat for making climbing better. So, not beneficial to either my purposes of writing a testimonial or the company's purposes of doing climbing. So I eliminated that as well. ठीक है, then I realized कि what else? Fresh air, or dynamic workout and guidance from India's best counselors. Everything, climbers. Everything you possibly need to have fun. The Delhi Climbs team have been a blessing. थोड़ा generic है. Fresh air चलो समझ गए. Dynamic workout भी समझ गए. India's best climbers. Fun. I mean, it's not something that I as a writer who knows how to add nuance to my writing will write. It's too generic. It's too basic. And so I just eliminated this. Then I decided कि, okay, I don't like conventional exercise. Lifting weights in an indoor gym bores the hell out of me. if you're anything like me, and I like this a lot from the first one where like मेरे को conventional exercise routines नहीं पसंद है, eliminate the word routines, I say I don't like instead of ask someone who's bored by conventional exercise routines. Clearly, you know, this is basically जो first वाला draft था उसका first sentence लेके छोटा कर दिया यहाँ पे, और lifting weights in an indoor gym bores the hell out of me. ये सच बात है. Instead of completely shitting on gym, I'm saying कि मैं बोर होता हूँ. और अगर तुम मेरी तरह हो, if you're anything like me, you will love Dodge. ठीक है? Now the reason I mentioned Dodge here is because they'll understand that's where the climbing happens. Apart from the fresh air and a dynamic workout, you also get guidance from India's best counselors. If you're looking for a truly transformational experience, look no further than Delhi Climbs. Okay? So this is a lot better than from where we started. This is the beauty of rewriting. You get to the best version of your idea and you learn how to communicate in the sharpest way possible. Okay? But I still felt like ये जो transformational experience वाली line थी ना, it makes it sound like it's a self-help seminar. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it, but if we are really trying to be sharp and pick holes in it, I don't think it's needed. So this is the final draft. I don't know why I've written 6 here. Hold on. It should be 7, but just, you know, this is draft number 7. You do 6 wala and it's 7. I don't like conventional exercise, lifting weights in an indoor gym, boards the alarm, sab kuch same hai. But here, instead of the transformation experience, I said, if you're serious about maximizing your body's potential. So again, because, you know, ultimately people have different associations around what climbing means to them. But for an average person who somehow ends up on their website, I want to make sure that they leave on a note of कि तुम्हारी body transform हो जाएगी, तुम्हारा potential enhance हो जाएगा, तुम्हारा physical potential. And because I only have 3 lines, that's what I leave them on. Look no further than Delhi Climbs. That's my sales pitch. That's how I ended off. Okay? I'll read it again. I don't like conventional exercise. Lifting weights in an indoor gym bores the hell out of me. If you're anything like me, you will love the Hodge. Apart from the fresh air and a dynamic workout, you also get guidance from India's best counselors. If you're serious about maximizing your body's potential, look no further than Delhi Climbs. This is such a great version. Obviously, अगर मैं 15-20 मिनट और बैठता, I could have written an even sharper sentence, but I have to decide. मैं एक testimonial के लिए 3 घंटे तो लगा नहीं सकता ना. So spent about 15-20 minutes on this, and this is where I've reached. So in this video, you can clearly see how you can go from your first draft to your final draft, and they both have some things in common, but the last draft says far more than the first draft ever could. Okay, so this is just a small example of how you can do that. अगर तुम्हें लगता है fuck man, I don't want to spend so much time rewriting, well, then you will have to spend time just being bad because you will not learn. छोटी सी छोटा sentence भी ना deserves a rewrite because it helps you understand how I can say this in a better way, in a better way, in a sharper way, right? So I hope this helps. I'm gonna screenshot this and leave it in the comments as a PDF or something, so you can check out कि कैसे कैसे मैंने करा. But yeah, of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and more videos will come. अभी तो daily आ ही रहे हैं, आते रहेंगे, ठीक है? शातिर कुत्ता out.